Yeah, I think that was the first game I did well as Reaper. Yeah, I sucked at the beginning, and then after that, just like raking in the kills and damage. And on that point alone, the first point we were trying to get, yeah, I got like 10 kills just on that point. But I was doing this.
Attack commences in 30 seconds. Warriors wasted on you.
Oh, come on, Anna. I bet you got up to all
Yeah,
sorts of
also,
things over
in the
there.
last round, our Ryan was really bad. I was basically the main tank. I had like 12,000 damage absorbed. I'm gonna go to team chat.
Alright.
Hello? Both their healers are down.
They got that Pharah and Mercy.
I'm
We
a
should
really
get
terrible
we should get a
scan.
hit scan.
I'll switch off DPS if someone wants to go hit scan. Or maybe if you want to go hit scan. Either that I do.
Lucio, you shouldn't be getting picked at the first every time. You should be hanging back.
I'm gonna deal with that fucking Pharah.
Anyone know how to widow?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, good switch, good switch.
Okay, nice.
Ooh, almost got her.
I'm trying to get Mercy first.
Yeah, get Mercy first.
He was ult on mech.
Very top right.
Break down. I'm gonna touch him.
Lucio, you keep getting killed every single time.
Yeah, I was trying to make him the brigade. Like, sorry.
If you can push, that'd be great. I got break. I think you got revive.
Fucking Mei just keeps on getting my shot.
Okay, we need to go on point. Just go. B, go.
I almost got Mercy.
I got that break there pretty fast.
Oh my gosh, everyone's so close to dying. I need help. Please assist me. Oh my gosh.
That's it.
I can do tank or healer, so if someone wants to heal as well. I can try.
Junkrat would be a disastrous pick. They're running a pharmacy. She's just gonna melt you.
I can't wait to get into the fight.
They got a widow.
Looks like
I'm on
the
right
bot.
side. I'm gonna stun somebody.
I need healing.
Brigitte on the bottom. She's trapped.
Left side, left side. Behind,
Sorry,
top.
stuff.
Mercy, right side.
Nice job.
See, now that I've warmed up.
They have a tracer now.
I'll try stunning her.
There's one left. Back on.
D.Va left side. Big bomb. Oh!
Fuck!
Finally!
I got them all! Sextuple kill! Another!
Yes.
I've only done that once, and it was with the D.Va as well.
He's
That
only
was
done
my
once as
second.
well.
That was my second time.
You better be recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Vegetarian knows. That's the second time in my life. I knew it was gonna be big. I could tell it was gonna get a spot.
Careful left side, Trace left side. Trace left side. Mercy.
Get that Tracer, I can't get that Mercy.
Tracer low, no recall. Good game.
Nice.
That's an insane.
I wonder what's gonna be play of the game.
I wonder.
Clearly not that sextuple kill.
No way. No way, Jose.
Oh, they're like all busted.
D.Va really is the only one that can ever pull this off.
Yeah, I wish the camera would follow the mech.
That'd be awesome.
I wanted to see them die.
Thanks for your support.
GG.